Cool deal. All right, so I wanted to walk you through downloading the latest version of Kali. They just released this a couple of days ago. So I'm going to open up my browser. I'm going to fire off to kali.org, I believe. The website's a little different. That's the reason I'm doing this. Some of the videos that were linked in the pregame stuff, not exactly the same. So, man, pretty straightforward. Kali.org, download button right in the middle. But for our purposes, we're going to be using the virtual machines. So we're going to go here. I recommend VirtualBox just because I think it's a little bit easier to like the user interface experience. You can click this right here to download the file from the website directly, or you can download a torrent, one of them legitimate use cases for torrenting. I'm going to go ahead and download it. And torrents are generally going to be faster anyway. We'll see how if that turned out to be true or not. It's picking up speed. So with any luck, it'll be done here in just a few minutes. So yeah, it's a pretty sizable file. This is the reason you want to download it before you get to class. You know what I mean? Don't wait till the morning of. I'm very fortunate that we have a pretty decent internet connection. So I'm able to download this 4 gigs in, the less than 3 minutes we've been recording. So. But at any rate, downloading it. And then once you have it, the import process is going to be exactly the same. You're going to find the OVA file. You're going to, import it just the same. So I'll go ahead and do that real quick to show you what it looks like. This is done. All right, it looks like it's done. Cool. All right, so I have to go start up my VirtualBox. Boom. Then I go to File, Import Appliance. I have to click on this little icon to browse to my, my downloads folder. And again, mine will look different than yours, but basically just wherever you told the torrent to download, or the thing, it will end up in your downloads folder more often than not. 2021-2 is the latest version. And then this is the file itself. I'll hit next. And then this is where you get to sort of preemptively tune, right? If you have enough RAM on your machine, I really recommend you bump this RAM up. I, again, have plenty of RAM in my machine to be able to run 2 or 3 of these things concurrently even. So I can give it 8,000. You might be able to give it 4,000. You might be able to give it 12 gigs, that is, right? So it just really depends on your specs. If you don't know, you can hit next or import with the default and you will work. It will work just fine. You don't have to worry about doing any of this stuff. So I like to normally do this, but I'm going to import, agree, and it'll take a little bit of time to import, hopefully not too long. And again, just like the other videos, the default creds, I think they call it out right here, Kali. That's what you'll use if you have to like log in with use sudo to elevate your privileges. The thing. But anyway, this part, like I said, up to this point, it's exactly the same. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out. Thanks.